Well, si Eric Nick, pinag-uusapan na rin naman natin mga kaibigan. 24 years old in the 6'6 center. Watch the power move with the left hand and Major Payne making them feel how it is.
Well, the mistake there, partner, is that the double team came from the outside. No? For a player like Eric Nick, you double team him coming from the baseline because you know he's going to make his move towards the basket, not away from it.
Totoo yan. Although nakakatakot din yun dahil may tira din to sa labas eh. So pag in-overplay mo, meron siyang angulo na pwede niyang tirahan sa labas.
Oo, pero you would rather take your chance getting him, making him take that outside shot or yung kanyang fade away, no? Imbes na yung nasa paloob.
Nanakaw sana ng play itong Formula Shell pero nandun yung depensa ng Tanduay. Esplana. Inikutan si JV Gayoso at may pagtaas ng tuhod ang tinawag ni referee Benji Chua kay JV Gayoso, and that'll be the first foul on Gayoso.
Alam mo, partner, tama itong